Hello and welcome to this Friday, August the 14th edition of UD Talks. Today it's my privilege to be able to introduce to you again Dr. Mark Ward, Dean of the College and Vice President of Academic Affairs. Mark and his team are going to greet you and prepare you to have an outstanding fall semester. But the key word I want you to remember this fall semester is the word adaptability. We're all going to have to be adaptable in this very unusual time. We believe we thought ahead and well enough that we can make this a tremendous experience for each one of you. I'm really looking forward to greeting each one of you, to seeing you in person, and to joining together on this really amazing adventure, this amazing fall semester here at the University of Dubuque. Will you join with me in welcoming Dr. Mark Ward?
Hello, Spartans. The fall semester is fast approaching and we're excited to welcome you back to campus. As you arrive to campus this fall, you'll see some changes. We've worked hard to make the classroom a safe environment, and so that will change your experience of the classroom. Face coverings, social distancing, cleaning spaces, that will all become part of your routine. And we've made it possible for you to attend class face-to-face, that's our hope, or remotely if that's what you need to do. Know that with all of these preparations, our primary goal is to help you have a successful learning semester. And your faculty are ready to invite you back, and I'd like to introduce Professor Rafic Sinno to share his thoughts on your return.
Well, I want to welcome everyone, and I'm excited to get back to campus. I think you got to make the most of the challenges that are before you and look at these challenges as opportunities for growth. We have always had a mantra to adapt, and one of the key skills in life that you can learn is how to become more adaptable in teaching and being a student and studying and in learning. So it's so important for us to be able to take charge of this opportunity before us, and I believe together, the students, the faculty, the staff, everyone can work together to make the most of this challenge. And I believe our spirits and our hearts will grow closer together. I believe challenges just make people come together. And this is one of the things that I'm excited about for this semester, is being able to make those connections. A mask does not stop us from connecting with each other. There are so many ways we can connect, and it's through our actions, our behaviors, and how we interact with each other, that's going to make the biggest difference. For me as a professor, I'm ready to get back into the classroom. I'm ready to give a great learning experience to our students. I want them to make the most of this opportunity. Well, I'm really excited to get back to the University of Dubuque, get excited to get back into the classroom. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the university. We can do this together. Let's make the best of this semester.